for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So Ghana Police Edensem Abetuga confirm say Abrantia Yesusu say wono ena wokun asampo hene no police for ensa asonimu enti no wo hwa engrofo ani agiye ansa na beto aso no subscribe na click notification bell no eno ena da screen so sisi a oya na sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka number na da screen asen so yesre bo betumi afre na no yen atwetwe nkomo wo story bi a wo pese wo share with us na yen interview on any story a wo bia na wo betumi afre yen oni yen hyehyɛ ho a we will interview you, we will put your story out there. Now em say na what you way am the story Ebrem say Abrantie Sadat Mohammed adodo na efren Mohammed no Ghana police for action no say na wo free temale ekɔ Burkina Faso trese bo dwane no na Abrantie we police for so say asampo hene na we wu no Abrantie we wonim ewuo ni ho bibi inti wo mu declare no wanted for some time now. Na say police for ye bomo abaso wo mo aya de say at least wo mo achi Abrantie we e ka de ye si owura Burkina Faso kra wie ye e ka de na ye Interpol ye beka say Interpol for na chi no international police and the chi no mo handing no over Emma Ghana police na say me this story ne buy no na nkrofo e ka say hey ye hu pictures ye hu say nti no wa wonim say Ghana there inse bi basa na e ya na people have conspiracy theories wo mo believe say asem no enya ne kre na say na wo hu pictures at that screen enim no be say yes indeed Abrantie no police for ensa asonimo a police for the krata ata echi na krata no me wo e wa ha say mekenkan atremo na bebi a ewo se metrasie na na ni ayehu de eko na hopefully police for ebeka how they got information one more edeche Abrantie no because na say no wa wonim say police there one more ya there say your boy mabaso na krata no edamenim sisi a was say arrest of Anuma Sadat Mohammed alias Alhaji that is say ni dimba kokre sanka ne ho eye Anuma ba yen de na yenim no eye Sadat Mohammed pe. Now, when in some police for can say one, the Ashanti Regional Police Command confirms the arrest and detention of suspect Anuma Sadat Mohammed alias Alhaji, the prime suspect in the murder of Nana Kojo Afodwo Otumfos Asampohene at the outskirts of Ebueni near Atebubu on 18th August 2019. Police for Abo specific place at Wamo channel. Now first point no, Wamo call very brief. I say yes, Ashanti Regional Police Command Wamo confirm say indeed Abrantie we yensa asonimu na sa Anuma ye channel ewo outskirts of Ebueni near Atebubu. On 18th August 2019 and there may a video we 19th August not as a police for air confirm say and 18th August and our monsa eso ni mo a wo mo detain no inti na no le sama Ashanti Regional Police Command wo mo dia betuja. That's the first point. Second point must say suspect Sadat Mohammed was arrested in Ouagadougou. Now there's a CC amene wo ka say the first point no enye place na wo mo arresting no mo boy eye Ebueni no enye ho but wo mo tre say that is where he has been detained. That is the CC amene wo kasa no police custody eho na wo she eho na police for keep no ye susu say court nsem bebem na yehu se ne ebekọ ne ya hwe say indeed wono na okun Abrantie we anase ana ebeka so no na okun se be asampo hene anase enye ono na wodi sa anyambra nsem no. Na second point na wo boss so say ahase ne ye chi no o say suspect Sadat Mohammed was arrested in Ouagadougou. That is Ouagadougou no test Abrantie we Burkina Faso create de dada Ouagadougou na Burkina Faso. They say we ho clear de dada na say ya chi no na almost so say he was arrested on Monday 16th September 2019. Just a Monday ya na chi no through a collaborative effort of the Ashanti and Upper East Regional Police Command, the Ghana Embassy in Burkina Faso, and the Interpol Ghana and Burkina Faso. Now story ne ba bonte no yet ya say Interpol for the channel, but police for the krata ba say a collaborative effort. Not just woman ni na woman de omahon den ebomu a woman de kwache Abrantie we inti no wo sha the Ashanti Regional, the Upper East Regional Police Command woman de omahon den bomu plus Interpol and a Ghana Embassy ewo Burkina Faso woman so e de omahon den bomu a etiefo woman ache Abrantie we ewo Burkina Faso just wo dwane free Ghana kra wo ko ra Burkina Faso mu. Now the third point was say He is currently in custody, assisting in investigations. Suspects had fled the country to neighboring Burkina Faso to settle with the family, but luck, however, eluded him and was arrested. Meanwhile, his wife, the queen mother of Pechi number 1, has been evacuated with their children to Kumasi and assisting the command in investigations. Naturally said, na yebuyenim, but police for air say abrantie we kra woni eye queen mother no eye Pechi number 1 hema no. Womo womba. Na Pechi number 1 hema no ene abrantie we ne mba no. Womu ni ejane akwahye Burkina Faso ena abrantie no nso we dwane a wakokọ mo ho nti odwane ya wakokọ mo ho no ena police fo hu no ehu se se mo tete wo Burkina Faso sebe mo ekodi nyambransem ana yesusu se mo na mo ekodi sa nyambransem wei na mo edi ewie no mo ejane na wakwahye Burkina Faso nti no wo hwa Pechi number 1 hema no endra me the story bro say onankasa wo turning himself in ena wo collapse ye e police custody and there me ne wo ka say Pechi number 1 hema no or hospital because she collapsed do be enim say bia BP e won so high blood pressure won so be enim but she collapsed and that and only breaking news about ya me de betu mu enim into the police for more stories on this one more insights on this say abrant and CC and wo police for in investigations but na chese nemba ene ne yere wo mo dwane akose Burkina Faso ena wono nso wo dwane koka wo mo ho e wo ho na otoaso a wo say fourth point in here so I say the command will also use this medium to thank members of the general public who volunteered information and especially the driver and passengers on board a Ghanaian bound bus in Burkina Faso for their assistance in apprehending the said suspect. Inti ahase na police for na boye mu ankasa ye share video na se na metremo say ye nim senior police for na ye chia branch no but fourth point no police for no aboso the police for no eka ene say na abranche na faka na woteka mu na car no na Afriga na eko Burkina Faso na wo mu a wo moteka nim no wo mu hu abranche no ehye ne so say picture echo round say police for say obie kuma sampon hene na ne bakono or you wanted no picture no was say abrantie we inti e ho na nkrofu we ebi mu bo police na amane say abrantie amose Sadat Mohammed no ye hu obi a wote ye kan ni mu a wose no inti no mensu mebo eye wo mu a wo mote sa kan ni mu abaso mebo ma abaso papa because Ghana there me de mechanic me de me obi a de bia me di masem me na me hu ya me nya sure kran se me kwakokan because me de I'm minding my business inti no go bi etumi aka bibi say ya nipa kono wa ya de say ye bona baso because bibi say very dangerous ya na nkofo bebre wo musuro se wokokan we wia ebia na police wa be say ana we be sise we be hise na tre say yakwa attack nkofo na say be wo ma police for information no. Now we can be jidi say ebimu will not be happy say police for amayehu send your abrantie no ye che no because we be beka say and there will be our do abrantie no and say ebi abrantie no enyo no pe no di sanya mbransem nti ni cruise awoni omudi sanya mbransem no omo betumi akohwehwe driver na chi akwan say wo ka mu no betina na mu yi ne to no nti wonso ye bedi wewu nti no me jidi say ebimu beka say the police for na kra ye no na nke ni kwan say wo mo driver no anana ke ni kwa se wo mo boss kra se e driver bi and the passengers wo mo te car bi mu e na e ma ye hu ye na ke se wo mo de wo mo ka se wo mo anomu hu wo mo ade na asemenfa na asemenye den enko. So that is the fourth point. Let me repeat it. You must say the command will also use this medium to thank members of the general public who volunteered information. Not just say ebi mo so sanso the information by enye wo mo anomu te car ni mu pe nkofo bebre sanso the information by say abrante ni yesusu se wo ha yesusu se wo ha na me gidi se enu hunti na ma police for ne kra kwa abrante ni fia wo mo eco season ne Land Cruiser new Land Cruiser na wo de fia abrochi aba white Land Cruiser no because na kankofo na ma police for no information na komu hu se abrante ni the new Land Cruiser bia ba police for no eco season boni fie ho. Now the fifth and final point of police for the can was say the public will be updated on further developments in the case. We hope so. And to there be a cases be say eba e one no in the sense the police for no for more information and babontin. You who say fifth point that we matter say the public will be updated. No eje ya ye dig into the matter. Ni ya who say we neko say police for nagasa e dey in sembe babontin there. I am doubting because I know Ghana police. but we are hoping say for the very first time they'll do something different. But it's for that is the story. Into Moana Munjin this a branch and the police for answer as Sonimuno story no and no and that hot. Share what in our comment box for me that say.